Welcome to the ultimate pool battle. Intex Ultra XTR versus Bestway Power Steel. Summer is here, and you're wondering which above-ground pool is worth investing in. We've got you covered. Let's start with the Intex Ultra XTR. This bad boy comes with a rust-resistant steel frame, dual suction outlets for improved water circulation, and it's easy to assemble with its snap-on design. It's perfect for large families or parties. Now let's check out the Bestway Power Steel. It's got a corrosion-resistant frame, a built-in ChemConnect chemical dispenser, and even a stone print liner that makes it look luxury tier. Plus, it's got that easy drain plug to hook up a garden hose. When it comes to durability, Intex edges ahead with its thicker steel. For maintenance, Bestway takes the lead with its ChemConnect system. Both brands offer a variety of sizes to fit different needs. On the price point, Bestway tends to be a little more budget-friendly, and when it comes to setup time, Intex is faster and easier. So, which one is right for your backyard oasis? We've linked both pools in the description so you can decide for yourself. Comment below. Which pool would you choose, Intex or Bestway? Like, comment, subscribe, and keep those summer vibes going.